The soil down there is a little bit cooler and colder than up here because of the water table. So the fruit and the plants that we plant there don't do as well as what they're doing here on this slightly more well-drained sort of soil. This is just beautiful floodplains which has been built up over the millions of years. And we'll only grow the tomatoes in here probably 2 years in a row, and then we'll grow them somewhere else with this soil here. We sort of give our soil, we rotate. So we rotate the potatoes and the tomatoes. So tomatoes the same family as potato, so they get the same diseases. So we find ourselves, we'll probably plant next year the tomatoes, and the potatoes will go where the vines are over there. We'll probably plant the tomatoes and the potatoes in that area there, or we'll just open up some new country and give this country a rest, give it a 12-month spell, and plant a cover crop in it and rebuild the soil structures back up again, and then we'll come back again. So just keep sort of rotating every 12 months or so. It's just grow healthier plants and less disease problems. So you can grow organic a lot easier if you give your soils a chance to recover.